Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the new session. We have been discussing the lesson Expert Detectives. Let us continue. Before starting today's session, I would like to remind you where we stopped the lesson in the earlier session. How can we make any progress with our investigations if you take that attitude 7? I asked. The girl asked the boy Nishad, if you have concern, if you have sympathy towards Mr. Nath, whom we believe that he is a crook, how can we progress our investigations? Here I refers to the girl Maya, right? Today's session starts from this line. I will cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escaped crook, said Seven. You really make me angry. The boy stated that you are provoking me. If you drop the idea that Mr. Nath is a crook, then only I will cooperate for the further investigations. If you think that he is a crook, I don't cooperate with your investigations. That was his opinion. I almost hit him. I make you angry, you stupid oaf, I shouted. The girl was about to punish him. She was very angry at him. You make me mad. What is the point of all these inquiries if he is not a crook? The girl asked. If he is not a crook, as your belief, if he is innocent, what is the point of all these inquiries? Why should we find the facts about him? That was her question. If you think he is a nobody, what is the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. As you believe that Mr. Nath is a humble person, innocent person, what is the point of all this? Why should we bother about him? The girl was very angry at him. Nishad looked thoughtful. He was thinking about her fact. I would like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. The boy stated that. He said that I would like to find out the reasons why Mr. Nath is thin and alone. Right? I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. I would like to find out the facts why Mr. Nath stays alone and why he doesn't have friends. Next, try to understand 7. I told him. The girl stated that you have to think properly that Mr. Nath is not an ordinary person. He is suspicious, right? If he has lived in Shankar house for a year, hasn't made a single friend, there is something wrong. He is obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him up to the cops. The girl predicted that there are many reasons for his loneliness. He has been living in Shankar's house nearly a year, even though he has not made any friend, because he is scared of people that they will recognize his misdeeds, that his robberies, and hand over to the police. Right? Maybe no one's tried to make friends with him, Nishad protested. Nishad defends that people didn't like to make friendship with him, so he is alone. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. The girl stated that why people bother about him? He is very nasty bear. Nasty bear means very angry person, right? I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. Stubbornly means relentlessly, right? The boy stated that I don't bother about your statement. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. The boy Nisha stated that I like him, he is innocent, I would like to be his friend. Friends with a crook? Huh? You are crazy. The girl stated that. Are you going to have friendship with him? You are crazy, you got mad, right? The cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want that to happen, you idiot? She remembered the forthcoming result also, the forthcoming effect also, right? If you have friendship with a crook, the police will catch you and they will put you in the jail, right? Nishad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. Nishad looked at Maya, he glared at her and quietly walked out of the room. My theories seemed to have made no impression on him at all. The girl thought that his attitude was different and her facts, which were collected by Maya, were not have made any impression on him. This is all about the lesson, Expert Detectives. Read the complete lesson and be ready for the exercise part. Thank you. Have a nice day.